Hi everybody, this is Trees. Hope everybody's having a great day today. For this video, I'm going to do my second REM Wicked makeup tutorial. This time it's inspired by Fiyero. So I'm going to use this REM times Wicked Oz Dust eyeshadow palette right over here. And I'm gonna copy the second look. I'm gonna copy the instructions on how to get this look. So it seems like it's inspired by Fiyero from the first movie. So let's get started. So I'm gonna copy this eye look into over here. So the first thing I'm gonna do, it says put the shiz and tap it in the inner corner, so it's this this silver shade. So I'm gonna tap it on my hand, so that can be way too much. I don't want it too bright, so I'm gonna go like this. Oh, by the way, I used a concealer in order to use it as my eyeshadow primer. It's from Makeup Revolution. Okay. Okay. Yeah, that will have to do. And then it says here to I'm gonna put I'm gonna use this fluffy brush. It says to put espresso, which is this brown matte shade right over here next to the shiz. So I'm gonna use this fluffy blending brush, dip it in espresso. Ooh, fall out. Try it again. I don't want to be too, I'm just going to go like this. It says to put espresso blend on long crease, so here we go. Yeah, it is a deep dark color. That's why that was my mistake from the other eye. I didn't tap it on the excess on my of that espresso shadow onto the back of my hand, so it's not gonna be too bam dark. Okay. Oh, I forgot it's okay. Whatever. So that's espresso, and then one more shade. I'm gonna use a not pencil brush, like a crease brush. I feel like using a crease brush, and then we're gonna finish it off with Swankified. It's this like periwinkle blue color right over here. Looks like a periwinkle blue color, and in person. And then it says to blend from middle to outer eyelid. So here we go. Okay, so I might as well like dot it like here. I'm just gonna go like this. So try to hit the middle of my lid. Middle of my lid. And okay, I'm gonna take that blending brush wipe it on my brush. Blend it all in, blend it out the corner. I forgot to put that this thing right over here, like the shield or something like that, sticks in the outer corner, so that can be. And there you have it. This is the Fiyero inspired eye makeup look. If you want to know what I wore for my cheeks, I just don't remember. I threw away the box. I recycled the box and stuff like that of all these makeup products. So this one, that looks okay. Let's see. I used the. Oh, cool. I used this blush and lipstick. It's called. It's a blush and lipstick stick called Destined to Fly. It's right over here. I just put on my cheek. I used it as my cheek, my blush. I have to really blend it really good, and then I used this lip pencil from Elphaba's collection. What's it called? Okay, it's called Defy Expectations from Elphaba's second collection. So I lined my lips, and then I'm moving on. Sorry about that. So I used from the first Elphaba collection. I used this lipstick called Black is This Year's Pink. So I put that on my lips after lining my lips. And then to top it all off, I think it was a mistake because I used this plumping lip gloss, and it is called. It's plumping lip gloss called Pretty as a Poppy. And once I put that thing, good lord, it kind of stings a little bit. Now that it's softened up, so this is my final look. Okay, until my next video, whenever that is. Peace out, bye.